Hello there and welcome back to the Trusted Car Products Testing Studio. It's been a little while since we've done one of our videos. We have been extremely busy and both of us unfortunately have been struck down with the dreaded man flu. But we are back today and we've got one of the BecauseRaceCarBox video unboxings. This being the October edition. Yes, we are in October. And it is a particularly big box this month and we'll find out why as soon as we pop open the lid. Okay, so the reason for the race car box being a bumper size box this month is because it actually includes a copy of Fast Car magazine with it, which costing £6 on its own, or £5.99 on its own. It's a great little freebie to get in the box for no additional cost whatsoever. We have had a read of it. It's been our bedtime reading for a couple of weeks now. We don't read very quickly. And naturally we flick straight inside to the section on detailing reviews, just to see the competition. And they've been putting through its paces the Auto Finesse barrel brush, which I must admit, Auto Finesse are actually a brand we haven't really explored much of. I've used myself in my detailing trade, but for the purpose of Trusted Car Products, we haven't done, to my knowledge, any Auto Finesse products actually, so we must have a look at them at some point. The barrel brush gets a nice write-up here by the guys at Fast Car, so we'll have to try that ourselves, feedback, and see if we agree with their views on that. It's always good to read other detailers and other product reviewers' views, both for our own benefit and for yours. Right, so we have the standard race car box sort of information card that comes in the box each month. This month it's got an R34 Nissan Skyline GTR on the front, very nice indeed, probably most people's dream car at some point in their life, particularly if they played the Gran Turismo games. I know it was mine. And then on the back of the card we have the contents of the box, which is always very useful. It tells you what's in the box, how to use it, any safety advice that you might need to know. So I can see from this that we have 4 main products in the box this month. I can see a few other accessories just in here below me, but 4 main products, and we'll have a look at what those are just now. Right, so first out of the box, we've got a product which is new to me, new to us at Trusted Car Products. It's Glossite by Auto Perfectionist. There's a tyre and trim dressing which claims to be anti-static as well, which is good. It means you don't get all the, obviously, the dust and stuff attracting to the trim once you've dressed it. So we'll be trying that out in the studio over the next few weeks and giving you some feedback on that. So nice size sample, 150ml of Glossite. We then have a product that we've actually featured recently. We had the team at Polish Pigs send us 4 of their products: the shampoo, wheel cleaner, fallout remover, and I want to say snow foam, but I don't think it was snow foam. Spray wax. Apologies for that. Yes, they sent us 4 of their products through. We were very impressed with the range in general. It's a very good shampoo, this. We found it a touch on the pricey side, but it is a very good product, very capable, smells wonderful as well, gives a real nice thick lather. Very generous size sample, pH neutral shampoo to get in your box as well. So it's waxed and coating safe. 250ml there, so plenty to play with this month. So 2 nice size samples. And then we have 2 products, both from the team at Wowo's Automotive Detailing. We have their signature wax, which is a pumpkin strudel scent, being October, makes sense. This is, I believe, a show wax. I may be wrong on that. There's no quote me on that, but almost say it smells just generally sort of winter scented, almost spiced sort of scent to that. But yeah, nice little wax sample to get there. And then we also have to complement that the Wowo's Quick Detailing, which is also pumpkin strudel scent. So Quick Detailing is being used for just the final step in your detailing process. Well, all sorts of things really. It can be for anything you really need it to be for. But it will complement the wax nicely. Once you finish waxing the car, you can go around with the Quick Detailing, get any misfits, any smudges, any fingerprints, and just boost the gloss and a little bit of additional protection as well. So they complement each other nicely and nicely scented for the time of year that we're in. We've got the standard pair of gloves that they always provide for you, which is always nice, which especially is nice when you're using things like the tyre and trim, because that tends to be quite a messy product, whichever brand it's from. We've got a foam wax applicator. Some people call these the UFO applicators because they're shaped a bit like a UFO. This will be useful for the Wowo wax. And finally we have a BecauseRaceCarBox branded air freshener. They were previously the R34 Skyline shaped ones, now they've moved on to a brake disc and caliper, quite a stylish looking little air freshener, so that will be going in one of our cars for the month. It's always very much appreciated to get air fresheners. And I believe, yep, that is the contents of our box. So we've got the Fast Car magazine, we've got the air freshener by Racecar, the tyre and trim dressing by Auto Perfectionist, the Polished Pigs Car shampoo, the Woe wax, the Woe Quick Detailer, the UFO applicator and the gloves included. And the fact I'm running out of breath trying to say all that shows that the box is certainly a bumper box this month with plenty in it. So a really good value box this month, and some products that we're looking forward to trying out, and ones which we've used before, which we know we love, so we'll be enjoying using those again. Okay, so thank you for checking out another one of our videos on the Trusted Car Products YouTube channel, and for checking out another of our BecauseRaceCarBox unboxing videos. We really do appreciate all the support that you give us on the channel and all of our social media platforms and the website itself. So please check us out on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and on the official website at www.trustedcarproducts.co.uk. We do really appreciate any subscribers to the YouTube channel. Any likes and comments are always massively appreciated and really do help us, so we really do appreciate that. And also make sure that you check out the guys at BecauseRaceCarBox. You can find them at BecauseRaceCarBox.com. Well worth checking out, well worth subscribing to. As you can see from this unboxing video, you really do get a lot for your money each month, and it's great to try out some new brands, particularly ones you might not have heard of before. So thanks once again guys, we hope to see you again soon.